Come test drive the 2024 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.